Hi there, my name is Martin Schroeder from SwedishEmbedded.com, and this video is for you if you are running a company that uses open source software and you want to also utilize open source software as part of your marketing strategy. So this is for you if you are not just using open source software, but you also want to publish open source software and make sure that your published software actually makes revenue for your business. So we're going to talk about three main important points about open source software that you need to understand in order to make sure that it makes money. The first and most obvious point is that free equals friend zone. And this is something you need to really understand deeply in your head, that free equals friend zone. Like a lot of open source projects, probably 99.99% of open source projects, they're just publishing open source project out there and they just hope that somebody will use the open source project and think that it's good and then go and find the contact details of whoever is responsible for the project in order to hire them for something. It's not clear what it is. There is no offer. There is nothing that tells the person to actually go there and hire this person to help them integrate this project into their business. And this is where pretty much all of these open source projects, they lose tremendous amount of opportunity by simply by omitting. They're losing by omission. They're omitting putting precise and clear offers into their open source content. And when I talk about open source content, I mean like everything that is part of the published Git repository, the documentation, the comments in the beginning of the file. Did you know why, by the way, the GPL license is the most popular open source license out there? It's not just because it's a viral license. It's also because the GPL, in the text of the GPL, actually has an offer. There is actually an address of the head office of the GPL foundation, and there is also a link to the website. So everybody who uses a license, everybody who forks the project, everybody who integrates that project into their own software is actually duplicating that offer, and so the GPL, the popularity of the GPL multiplies exponentially, because that's how offers multiply. They multiply exponentially because once you start putting them into different places, they start getting copied and they spread around everywhere. So you definitely don't want to just be putting stuff out there for free, and you don't want to be putting yourself willingly into the friend zone where you just look to get a lot of stars or a lot of likes or a lot of followers, because those things don't matter at the end of the day. They don't matter at all. It's not how many followers you have, it's how many offers you make. Even if you have 1 million followers and you're not making any offers, then it doesn't matter. You're not going to generate any results from your presence out there, regardless if it's a social media presence or if it's software presence. It's exactly the same thing that applies there. So you make as much money, you make money in proportion to how many offers you make. So the more offers you put into the content of your project, the more results you're going to generate. And to make money with open source software, you need to start using it as a medium for making offers. So you need to start looking at this overall strategy of your project and writing proper introductions, proper documentation, and start to make offers everywhere where it's relevant, everywhere where you can insert something that can be useful. So for example, it could be integrating the project into a business of another company, which is what I did. I did it completely unknowingly. I just put a little offer into the head comment of all the source files in my project, where I said that, if you want to integrate this into your business, then send me an email to this email address. And people started sending me emails and asking me about that, asking me how does it work? What do I need to do next? And you need to be really clear about this, and you need to have a clear structure to how you structure your offer and how you lead the customer to get more information about the offer. And I can help you with that. So if you need help with this, then I have a really fantastic offer for you, which is right here. You go to swedishembedded.com/call and you book a call with me. And on this 45-minute call, we're going to look at your particular project, and we're going to actually map out the strategy for your project step by step. So when you walk away from this call, you're going to have a complete strategy for putting offers into your particular project. And then if you need more help with that, then I'm going to make you an offer for working with you together and helping you along the way, and helping you structure those offers and make the actual and create the content of the offers and really push your products out there. So if this sounds interesting to you, go to switchembedded.com/call and pick a time that works for you, and then we have a call on Zoom and discuss it further. So I'm looking forward to talking to you. Thanks for watching and have a good day.